So, good morning, friends. And today we are here to present a short drama on the dowry system, that is Dahej Pratha. So, what is dowry system? Dowry system in India includes that giving movable goods, cash or goods to brides from bride side to groom in condition of marriage. In India, every day 21 lives are losses by this. So this case approx to 7,500 per year lives gone because of this dowry system. So we are presenting short scripted drama. So
Train.
हेलो भाई साहब.
Are you coming today?
हाँ भाई साहब. यस वी आर अबाउट टू कम भाई साहब.
We are waiting. Please come fast.
या भाई साहब या वी विल बी देयर इन आवर.
Okay.
राइट. बेटा भुग्गू, where are you?
Yes, father, I am here.
We have to go, man. Get ready fast.
Yeah, father, we are going to see the girl for me, so I have to take time.
But try to understand, beta. We want your marriage in that birth, not another.
Father, we will do in this birth only our marriage.
Okay.
Hey Kalavati.
Yes, father.
Get ready. They are coming to see you.
But father, I'm Father Kutumna. To look, see who is coming to see me.
Hey, don't talk too much and get ready.
Okay.
Knock.
Hey. Oh, bhai sahab, come.
Yeah. Sure, भाई साहब.
Sit here.
Yes.
So I hope you don't have any problem faced while coming.
No, भाई साहब, no. Only just 3-4 times I avoided to drop down into the drainage.
Because your roads are like this, no? Short.
Okay. So what will you take?
Tea. Chai.
Call the girl first, man. They are the.
Hey Kalavati,
Yes, father.
come here. Come fast.
Father, Eiffel Tower in India.
Sit silent. Beta, sit. These are the followers.
Yes, father.
Sit first. Sit easy.
Long one.
Yeah. This thing will happen after then some time. Firstly, we should talk on the matter.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, beta, what is your work and how much money get in your job?
Uncle, I do a private job and I earn 20,000.
Oh, only 20,000.
Hey, how are you saying like this? Only 20,000. What your daughter do? That's why you are saying like you are Ambani.
Yes.
Seems like your house is.
Yes, I am graduate. And I to teach the children, poor children, and earn 6,000.
6,000.
Yes, father.
Okay. So this thing will happen. Let's talk about the drain. How much the I want?
Sir, I do only 2-3 lakh in marriage and I will give you 1 lakh in cash.
This much, father. We have decided the marriage only 2 lakh with Dahej.
Just shut up, I am talking him.
Okay, father.
Man, I wanna say that I pay for my son. I pay more than 3 lakh rupees for his education, for his what we say like a graduation, and you are saying only for 2-3 lakh. What is this? Try to understand. Try to feel.
What you want, please tell me.
Approximately 10 lakhs marriage and 35 to 40,000, 40 lakh, sorry, 35 to 40 lakh in a dowry. This much only.
But my house price less than your expectation. So
Your house is looking like only that. I have 20 lakh car and you are talking about 2-3 lakhs.
Speak less. You are doing a 20,000 job and you talk about a 20 lakh car. Car 20 lakh.
So what you are thinking? I have a job and my father also has land. So much land my father has.
So, what do you want? Tell what we do.
This rituals you have given.
Yeah, this type of ritual means you are saying that your daughter is interfering between us. This is your rituals that you talk to your daughter. This is not good, man.
but I do only this much money I don't have more money, so I manage this marriage.
No man, I invest a lot to my child, and I thought that I should come back it. So try to understand. If you don't, then there is no problem.
My sir, I am graduate. I know the law. I know the law. That written, that clearly it's a written. Clearly it's a written. Then dowry is a illegal and crime. It is your force. I will call the police and complain you are against.
Man,
So don't mind her talk.
Uh,
I will give you 5 lakh.
no. This is too less. Wait, I am saying what? No need to waste my time. Listen carefully and keep it in your mind. If you can't do this, then don't call us. I am saying that approximately. I said for 40 lakh, do 30 to 35 lakh in a dowry, and use approximately 7 to 8 lakh for a wedding, yeah, because my family man and my relatives will come and they see like this is like try to understand.
We are
what
taking
we
your
want
girl
do.
to
Yeah.
our home.
Yeah,
So
he
you
will be
need
like
to
a
pay this.
queen in my house. My boy is also very good. He never drinks. He don't
Keep in
do
mind
anything. So keep it in mind, na. He will be a queen there. And yes, I am saying what 35 or 30. What do you want? Like in a dowry and approximately 7 to 8 lakh wedding. If you will be capable, then call us. Otherwise, no need to do anything. Goodbye. Let's go, son.
Sir. Listen.
Yeah.
I do more than I can.
But this is my final. I am not here for any khera. I invest on my child. I want it back. Try to understand. If you are not, then no need to do anything. Let's go to your house, and I also wanna go.
Father, you have 2 days time.
Yeah.
Okay, I
only 2
will
days.
tell you on call.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. Ram ji.
In 1961, Dowry Prohibition Act came, and before that, many cases are there. But from that time, when this act came, and this is present in the law, and clearly written that it is illegal and crime. If somebody is doing, you can call police, and some numbers, special numbers also there. So you can complain or call to the police to stop dowry system.
Stop dowry.
Stop dowry. Stop dowry. Stop dowry. Stop dowry. Stop dowry.